cut. Good morning, y'all. Don't pay me no mind. I've always wanted to do that, but with the, the little things that they use. It's camera, lights, camera, action, and roll. But welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm so glad to have you all back here. I just got my package in the mail from pinchme.com. I'm going to be linking it down below so you guys could check them out as well. Here we have, I'm comfortable this morning. I'm leaning across the bed. I'm being myself. What we all should do. Should try doing. Well, I received the Olay with shea butter, the deep moisture. I'm not gonna try this now. I'm gonna do this at night because it's a night face mask. It smells amazing. It says it's fragrance free, but it smells amazing. Soft to the touch. Smells so good. I can't wait to try this and make that face pop and glow. They sent me a nice size. I didn't expect to get such a big size for a sample, When they say sample, you know what they used to send you, but I ain't complaining. So back to what I just said, sample. This is one that came in my sampler box. Sample. They sent me the Axe Blue Lavender, Mint and plus Amber, 72 hours fresh. It has to be 72 hours, or a little under 72 hours, maybe 24 hours, I don't know. But I sprayed it a little earlier, and it smells so good, y'all. Especially with school starting up, this would be something perfect for the youngins to have in their backpacks or whatever. After PE, all that sweating, there's something that they could possibly use. It smells good. It's a little strong. And here's another sample that I received from my sampler box. I'm going to put both links down below so you guys could also try it out yourself. And maybe you may get some things that you might like, or even want to share with everyone else. Here's another sample. The Larabar, I think I'm saying that right. The peanut butter chocolate chip with just 4 real ingredients. I guess I can try this for you guys. I hadn't really had breakfast this morning. I guess I'm gonna skip breakfast. Oh. It smells disgusting. It does. Not for me. It has like a bitter taste to it. I don't know, it leaves like a burnt aftertaste. You know how like you're making some candies or something that leave like a little, I say potch, burnt, scorch, whatever floats your boat. But it's nasty. To me it is, at least. And for my sampler box, I also received the Solil Escape with the jasmine and eucalyptus scented handle. Long-lasting blades. That's 5 flexible blades for a close and comfortable shave. 360 degrees water-activated moisture strips with 100% almond oil for enhanced glide. Pivoting head and rubber grip for added control. Jasmine and eucalyptus scented handles. Long-lasting blades. It says tickle your sense. Try me. So I'm going to be linking both websites down below so you guys could go and try them out yourself. Comment down below what else you would like to try, and I'll be sure to review it. I have one more surprise for you guys. I received these tennis shoes from DH Gates. I'm going to link it down below for you guys, but they were a half size too small, so I couldn't try them on for you, but they nice and free.